You look like King Kong up there. Climbing the Empire State Building. You freaking monkey. Hey, when you coming, I'm gonna tell him I had no idea you were doing this, even though I'm recording you. It's like Mission Impossible. What are you doing?
I'm looking for you.
I'm right here.
I'm as high as the building.
I believe it. You're pretty high up there. Should have lost you. You're funny, dude. Slide down that pole.
Huh?
We'll slide down that ram.
Yeah.
What sucks is you could have made it all the way up, but we don't know where Wayne's at.
I know. It's scary.
If Dad was down, he'd be over there watching for us.
Dad, go to the corner. Dad, you go to that corner.
Good job, bro. Another good one. You know what sucks too is you went up halfway twice. You just went up all the way once.
That's what my muscles are feeling. I just put my head on that cable, has grease all on it.
Oh man, it's all right.
What grease is?
Oh, it's on the back of your shirt too.
What?
It's on the back of your shirt too.
Oh yeah, it is. That's how it looks on my head.
Tiene grasa. Woo! Put it back on. Yeah. Mucha lucha. Put your shirt on, homo. Don't be kidding if you're buff.
No, take your shoes off, Kevin. You're flipping me off. I know you're not that mean. Your phone just has fucking...
I forget it has that.
Every time you record me, I just want to flip you back off, Mike.
All right, that's enough for today.
Back to
Oh my God.